In this video, I'll show you how to disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. SafeSearch is a Google setting that helps filter explicit results from your searches. So when you turn it off, Google can show a wider range of search results. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com. Now, make sure you are signed into the Google account you want to change the setting for. After that, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. In the menu that opens, look for SafeSearch and select it. This will open the SafeSearch settings page. From here, choose Off to disable SafeSearch. Once you select this option, the change should apply automatically to your Google account. Now, go back to Google and try searching again. SafeSearch should now be turned off. But if the SafeSearch option is locked or you cannot change it, there may be a restriction on your account, browser, device, or network. For example, the setting may be controlled by a parent, school, workplace, or administrator. One thing you can try is resetting Chrome settings. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then go to Settings. On the left side, click Reset Settings. Now choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm the reset. After that, restart Chrome and check the SafeSearch page again. If it is still locked, then the restriction is probably coming from your Google account, family link, your school or work account, or the network you are connected to. In that case, you will need to contact the person or organization managing the account or device. And that's it. That is how you can turn off SafeSearch in Google Chrome. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.